Gut-wrenching moments along a ravine in New Hampshire.
Take a look at this video. It's an avalanche that nearly swallowed a snowboarder and skier. Watch very closely. Wow. So this was shot by an onlooker who was hiking at Mount Washington. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Yeah, both people escaped harm. The skier changing direction. The snowboarder appeared to almost ride the avalanche like a wave down the mountain. The unidentified snowboarder wound up waist deep in the snow but was freed a short time later.
So scary. Locals say avalanches do happen this time of the year in Mount Washington, so it's not uncommon, but jeez.
That is wild, because
how frightening. Oh my gosh.
Wow, it's like riding, yeah, it really was like riding like a wave. Another option.
I don't know how I would just feel like, well, life's been good. Seriously, wouldn't you?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, that's no bunny slope. Glad they're okay.